What if the way you're sitting right now is slowly weakening your body without you even realizing it? Not through pain, not through injury, but quietly, over time. Because after 60 your body changes. Muscles don't stay strong unless they're used. Balance doesn't stay sharp unless it's challenged. And certain daily habits can either support your body or slowly break it down. And one of the biggest habits almost no one talks about is how you sit. Think about it. Hours every day. Sitting, resting, watching, waiting. It feels normal. It feels comfortable. But what if that comfort is the exact reason your body is starting to feel weaker? Because most people don't notice it at first until simple things start to feel harder. Standing up takes more effort. Balance feels less stable. Walking feels slightly off. And by the time you notice it, the habit has already been repeated thousands of times. But here's the good news. Once you understand what's happening, you can change it. And sometimes, one small adjustment can make a big difference. Let's look at the most common sitting position that quietly weakens the body. It's called slouched sitting, back rounded, shoulders forward, head slightly down. It feels relaxed, almost effortless. But inside your body, something very different is happening. Your core muscles are no longer active. Your back muscles are no longer supporting you. Your hips are not engaged. Over time, this position teaches your body to rely less on strength and more on support. And when muscles are not used, they slowly become weaker. After 60, muscle loss happens naturally, but sitting the wrong way speeds up that process. The muscles that help you stand, walk, and balance begin to lose their function. This can lead to feeling unstable, reduced strength, slower movement, and over time, even simple actions can feel more difficult, not because your body can't do them, but because it's no longer being trained to do them efficiently. The good news is, you don't need anything complicated. Just small daily adjustments. 1. Sit upright posture. Reset. Sit with your back tall, shoulders relaxed, and feet flat, not stiff, just supported. 2. Light core activation. Gently engage your core, just enough to support your spine. No tension, just awareness. 3. Break the sitting cycle. Every 20 to 30 minutes, stand up, stretch, or take a few steps. 4. Sit to stand practice. Slowly stand up, then sit back down, with control. This simple movement builds strength where it matters most. After 60, your body doesn't need extreme effort. It needs consistent support. Small habits, repeated every day, shape your strength, your balance, and your confidence. Sitting is not the problem. How you sit is what matters. And when you make that small change, you're not just improving posture, you're helping your body stay active, strong, and capable for years to come. Now I'd like to ask you, be honest. How are you sitting right now? Slouched or upright? Let me know in the comments, because awareness is the first step to change.